Okay, in this video, we will talk about the international units versus the US units, and most precisely about weight and mass and all of that. So let's do table. On that side, we will talk about international units. Okay, on that side, we will talk about US unit. Okay, I'm making this table because you will see you have problems in pounds, problems in kilograms, and all of that, and I want to clarify things. International unit, what is provided? What is provided in a problem in the international unit? That will be what? That will be usually the mass in kilograms. Okay. And what is provided in the US unit? That will be the weight in pound. Okay. How do we get, what do we need to find? From here, that will be the weight in Newton, and your weight will be equal to the mass time G, and G is equal to 9.81 meter per second square. Okay. Here, what we need to find is the mass in slug. And what do we use? It will be same thing, W equal M times G. But because we want to find M, that will be M equal W divided by G. And in this case, G equals 32.2 feet per second square. Okay, different unit. What does that mean? Oops. That means that when you have a problem, and we will focus more on dynamics. Let's say some of the forces, let me write that there, some of the forces on Y equal MAY, something like this. And we have particle, and we have the weight, and let's say we have some other force F1Y, and let's say we have also F2Y, and we have the acceleration. Let's put the acceleration in that direction, MAY. Okay, let me move that a little bit to the left. Oops. A bit more. Oops. And this one on that side will be MAY. Okay, we have our equation that say, so let's, okay, I will put my axis Y up, okay, but I want to confuse you. We have F1Y plus F2Y minus W equal minus MAY. Remember what is given here. What is given is usually the weight. Okay, we are in, not the weight, the mass. Sorry. Oops. What is given is, I will put it in blue. Oops, that's W. In blue, what do we have is the mass. Okay, and what do we need to find is the weight. So this is on the side of the forces equation that we need to find the weight. Find W. Okay, given M. Now, if we are in an equation in US unit, we have F1Y plus F2Y minus W equal minus MAY. This is the opposite. The weight will be given. And what we need to find is the mass. Okay, how do you find the mass? We have the formula just here. M equal W divided by G, with G equals 32.2. International unit, how do you find the mass? You use W equal M times G, with G equal 9.81 meter per second. So I hope that makes sense. Keep this table in mind. I will make it a nice one just for infographic, but this is super important. What is given, the information provided based on the unit is different. In one case, we have the information of the weight, that is the force. On one case, we have the information of the mass. That's different. So hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.